5 tips to grow eyelashes longer and thicker at home naturally. These tips and tricks detail various DIY solutions you can use to amplify your natural lashes. 1. Coat your lashes in oil. Natural oils that hydrate the lash hairs and promote healthy growth include castor oil, coconut oil, and olive oil. Make use of a fresh mascara wand or cotton swab to apply the oil to your eyelashes. The oil not only conditions the lash hairs to keep them from coming out, but also darkens them to make them appear longer and thicker. 2. Use aloe vera to moisturize. Using aloe vera gel is another do-it-yourself technique for strengthening and moisturizing dry, brittle lashes. Aloe vera boosts collagen, which nourishes the eyelashes while soothing and moisturizing. You can use petroleum jelly in place of aloe vera gel to hydrate and moisturize the hair follicles on your lashes. Keeping your eyelashes hydrated with these home methods might help stop damage. 3. Apply a serum for lash growth. Applying a growth serum can lengthen lashes and treat hair loss. Lash serums aid in promoting the growth of eyelashes by including nutrients that boost hair growth, such as peptides and antioxidants, which encourage thick, healthy lashes. Swipe the wand of an eyelash growth serum along your lash line to apply it. Before adding a new eyelash serum to your beauty regimen, consult your dermatologist or eye doctor. 4. Apply lash-lengthening mascara. Applying mascara that lengthens lashes is another way to get long eyelashes. These nutrient-rich mascaras contain some of the same important elements as lash development serums, helping to give length and volume to your lashes. 5. Consider supplements. Collagen and biotin both aid the body's process of producing new hair. Consider taking supplements containing collagen or biotin if your eyelashes are frail and sparse. Consult your doctor before including new supplements in your regimen to find the right one for you and go over any possible side effects. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.